This is ANN News Brief.
Good afternoon. I am Lucy Adeyemi. More people are reported dead in Libya as casualties from the battle for capital Tripoli mounted on Tuesday. The United Nations says dozens of migrants were moved to safety from a detention center in the south of the city where fighting had intensified. World Health Organization says medical facilities reported 47 persons had been killed and 181 wounded in recent days as Eastern Libyan National Army forces seek to take Tripoli from an internationally recognized government. WHO added that the fatalities were mainly fighters and civilians, including 2 doctors. Both warring parties have defied international calls for a ceasefire. The Kenyan Red Cross has turned to young developers and coders to help improve the way it administers healthcare services at the country's Kakuma refugee camp. The Kakuma refugee camp was created by the UN High Commissioner for Refugees and the Kenyan government in 1992. Since then, hundreds of thousands of people from countries such as Sudan, Somalia, Ethiopia, Burundi, and the DR Congo have been accommodated there with dwindling medical assistance. Most of them have been forcibly displaced due to various conflict and poverty.
Most of the refugees, as well, from where they come from, may have missed to get the right healthcare service, including immunization. In some cases, women and children and even men may have been violated physically, and then they come in and require assistance.
Desperate to improve health conditions, the Kenyan Red Cross, Google and Oracle teamed up for Nairobi's first TechFugees Hackathon. Participants come up with innovative tech solutions that will assist health workers and community leaders on the camp. Young coders and designers created apps ranging from a mobile clinic, a data bank for medical facilities to mitigate poor mobile connectivity. They also devised communication-based apps as the camp houses many nationalities and languages. Stay with us, we'll be back after the short break.
Looking for some Disney magic but don't know where to find it? We've got a magical solution just for you. Simply go to DisneyNigeria.mobi and get an exciting selection of games, short videos, wallpapers, shareables, and more. Explore a whole new world of Disney on your mobile, tablet, or PC. For just 200 Naira monthly, you get to enjoy the fun to infinity and beyond. SMS Disney to 11006 to begin. Terms and conditions apply. This service is only available to MTN customers.
Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta has said there will be no turning back on government reforms that are intended to improve service provision to all Kenyans, and that he will not relent on building bridges initiative that shows inclusion, cohesion, unity and respect for all. Kenyatta said at a parliament session it would increase equipment investment to ensure better law enforcement.
Honorable Speaker, in recognition of the fact that our law enforcement agencies, and in order for them to effectively discharge their duties, they need to be empowered and appropriately capacitated. We are therefore undertaking enhanced training and improvements in welfare, more effective use of technology, equipment, and far better coordination between and within parties.
He said his desire was to create a better Kenyan for all that is guided by the rule of law and integrity as the accepted norms. That's ANN News Brief. Join us again at 5 for our full newscast. For details on these and other stories, visit our website, annafrica.net. Also join the conversation on Facebook, facebook.com/ANNAfricaTV, Instagram and Twitter at ANNAfricaTV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.